Hey guys, this is Darren with EastsideSportsCards.com, home of the box breaking madness. Tonight we're going to be doing a box of 2014 Bowman Draft baseball. As you know, this is going to have one prospect autograph per box, and this is Chris Bryant's rookie year as well. Go ahead and get on and check this out. It's great to be back on Breakers TV breaking some boxes. Hopefully we can get some random case breaks full. Just wanted to show you guys we are back in action, and we're ready to rock. Hey, Zero, Fact 30, nice to see you. Let's go ahead and break this box down, guys. And let's hope that we can get Chris Bryant auto. That would be sick. We're also doing a lot more grading since we last been breaking on breakers. So as you can tell, empty box right there. Bang. And let's go ahead and get this first pack cracked down for you. That's what I'm talking about here. We got Diaz. It looks like we got Michael Getty's foil here, refractor. Put that right there. What's going on, guys? And then tonight we're also going to be doing a Magic the Gathering booster box. It looks like I've been having some people ask for it. So there it is, Carlos Correa. Connor Joe from the Pirates. So yeah, if you guys want to see anything broke, let's go ahead and get some cases filled and see what we can go from there. It's a nice piece. That's also numbered to 102 of 399. $102 of $399. And you can always go to our website, EastsideSportsCards.com. Go ahead and get your boxes and cases. If there's something you do need, let me know. We'll go ahead and take care of you. Darren at EastsideSportsCards.com is my email address. It's good to be back. Good to be back. That is for sure. There's a nice piece right there. Brandon Shipley. That's sick. Yeah, we're going to be sending a lot of this stuff. I'll send into grade. I'm going to be doing a lot more grading. We're also now on Amazon.com. Don't know if a lot of you guys know that, but Cody Reed. And then we've got a Mariner. That's pretty nice. Like this stuff a lot. It's really nice stuff. I also have a pick your team case of 2015 Topps Chrome football. If we can get this thing filled, we'll go ahead and get that order. Go ahead and get that done, so we can. That's not numbered, but that is a nice piece right there. Ooh, here's a nice Texas Ranger. That's a nice piece. Not numbered right there. Nick Howard. No autograph yet, so that means that there's still one in here somewhere. And we'll go ahead and crack a box of Battle for Zendikar tonight too for all your Magic guys. We're doing a lot more of that. I've got a case of Oath of Gatewatch I want to try to crack down too. selling those spots right now for all Magic guys. So we do Magic, we do TCGs as well. So there's another nice piece. Beautiful. That also is not numbered. Lewis, J.D. Davis. There he is. Chris Bryant. So at least he showed his face, but we need something that's got some ink on the card. There's that. Bang. It's got some good stuff right there. Always like this prospect stuff. Never know who's going to be the star. Derek Hill, Detroit. Tigers draft card. Bada bing. Spencer Adams. All right, guys. Halfway down in the box. Still got the auto to go. This is good. Oh, here we go. Got something nice, whatever it is in here. I'll put that at the last so you guys can... Bang. Matt Chapman, 4 of 99. It's pretty cool. Spencer Adams, J.D. Crawford, Aaron Brown. Come on, Chris Bryant, show your face to us, man. Show your face. And if you haven't done so, please click the like button, the follow button on the bottom, and we'll go ahead and make sure that you get into all of our good breaks here. We're going to be doing more randoms, too. I know a lot of people have been asking us for that. J.D. Crawford. There's another foil right there. Bam. Not numbered, though. So I'm talking about Travis, Brent Martin, Derek Fisher. Come on, let's see the ink. See the ink. Mitch Keller. Mason Williams. There's the auto. So no Chris Bryant autograph. It's okay, guys. It happens. As you know, soon right on camera. We do it right on there, right on camera for you guys. Soft and top load for that. Wilson, Robertson. Fry. That is not numbered. I believe this is our third box we broke down of this, or fourth box. It may even be our fifth box. I'm not totally sure, but I think it is our fifth box of this. We did some Bowman Chrome when Chris Bryant was really, really, really hot. He's still doing pretty well now, but... And please, guys, make sure you're on our channel. We're going to be doing a lot of stuff for the Magic. Pretty much every Friday night. I want to break every Friday night for break something sealed of Magic, whether it's Fat Pack, Booster Box, whatever. For sports cards, hopefully we can get breaks going, so we're hitting them almost every other night. Would be nice. We've got Monte Harrison draft card. go, Josh Morgan. Not numbered. Okay. Hopkins. Phil Irvin for the Reds. Bang. Last pack of the 2014 Bowman Draft Baseball box. That's sick. It's numbered to 399. Sweet. There you go. And the last two cards of the pack. Bang, bang, bang. All right, let's go ahead and go through this a little bit. Nothing real spectacular. Most of these refractors I'll probably end up sending into Beckett to see what we get. We did get the blue right there, and then we did get that kind of sweet card right there. And then for the autograph, Amaris Garcia for the San Francisco Giants. And then we've got Chris Bryant. So, guys, that wraps up break number 4 or 5 of the 2014 Bowman Draft Baseball Hobby Box. Thanks again. Make sure you go to our website, eastsidesportscards.com.